Alright, I got a new build coming up. We got another Traxxas Sport unassembled kit, the full kit. And to go with the kit, I got the Traxxas Traxx. We're going to put them on. Along with the kit, let me get this stuff out of the way. Along with the kit, I got a Year Racing light bar. I'm going with an old look for it, so we're going to throw that on there. Then I got Hot Racing rear bumper. I don't like the little hooks on the end of it. You guys can't really see. I'll show you more in the video. To match that up, we got Year Racing front bumper. Now with this front bumper, you can take off the full cowl bar. You can take out the links on it. You can take out this whole bar. You got so many choices with this. So that's going on there. Some more solder and stuff. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with a paint scheme for it, but I got me some tape, 3mm. So do some nice lining. We got Tamiya's silver, PS12. And then I got 2 cans of the Tamiya black, PS5. To go on that, I got some nice shoes from Year Racing. These are 1.9s. That they're gonna look nice. So I got a set of those. For the inside, we're gonna go with a Hobbywing ESC 1080. Kind of like them. Got them on my other TRX4. For the servo, we're going with the Echo Power servo 110. I'll show you guys the specs in the other videos. For the motor, we're going with the Holmes Hobby Trailmaster Sport 540 27 turn. And then we got a nice little light kit that's going in there. Hook that up. And then I just got some adapters. I run mine on Deans. I know everybody got an issue with Dean, but I like Deans. They're easy. And everything I run is 2S. And then we got a extender for the light kit. Alright, you guys did see me do an unboxing of the TRX4 before. I'm going to just go through quick what's in here. I'm not going to bore you guys with it. Alright, first things first, I want to put these tracks together. So let's check out what's in the box. I never put tracks together, never had tracks, but I always wanted the tracks. Especially right now, we got winter, we got some snow going on. So right here, Lord, we got the instructions, which jeez Louise, it's gonna be a fun one. Alright, got a little small instructions there. We got the please read before you assemble. Now, moment of truth, let's open it up. Oh man, I ain't gotta assemble them. They're already together. That's kind of a spoiler. Check these things out. Man, these things are beefy. These things are beefy. that looks like it needs to be screwed in. But to where? Alright, so the shocks need to be screwed in. I'll go through and tighten up everything just to make sure we're good. And that's nice. Smooth too. Ooh-wee. So I know the longer ones are the front ones, and the short ones are the back ones, I think it was. Let's look at it. So the front ones are 174 millimeters long. The width is 51 millimeters, and the height is 121 millimeters. The back ones are 190, so the back ones are the big ones, longer. So let's take out our front one, and I'll take out the bottom. So we look at the comparison on them and flip it around. Yeah, it's a big difference in them. Alright, so that one's not screwed down either.